Hey everyone, welcome to the second lecture on inequalities. This is the beginners batch. We've been doing algebra for a very long time. Let's quickly get this over with. Today's agenda, we are going to look at absolute value inequalities and quadratic inequalities. Hey everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to the second lecture on inequalities. So far we've completed in algebra, we've completed surds, indices, linear equations, quadratic equations, polynomials, and today we're looking at inequalities.
Hello.
Sorry Ashish, sorry.
Hello.
Sorry, no, nothing. Yeah, all right. So today we're doing second lecture on inequalities. Today's agenda will be to cover absolute value inequalities and quadratic inequalities. Hello Punya Shlok, hi Deepti, good afternoon everyone. My name is Amit Surana. I am an aeronautical engineer from Chennai with over 7 years of experience, and I've trained over 2.5 lakh students. Please join this Telegram group if you haven't already. The link is in the description below. This is a crash course that I'm doing for CAT 2021. I go live every day at 12 o'clock on the same YouTube channel. Don't forget to join this. Let's start. Good noon. Hello Chester. Good afternoon. Alright, let's start with absolute value inequalities. What do you mean by absolute value? Absolute value is just like modulus, right? So if any expression is under modulus, then the outcome, the result of it will always be positive. For example, if I have -4 in modulus, then its value will always be equal to 4. Yes, even if I have 4 in modulus, its value will also be equal to 4. Yes, so anything under modulus brings out only the magnitude of it and not the nature. Sign doesn't matter, only the magnitude. Yes, now if I say that modulus x is less than y, if I say modulus x is less than y, then there will be two outcomes for x. Either x is less than y, just like it's supposed to be, or x can be equal to greater than -y. So what happens here is you multiply the negative sign and you flip the sign in between. Yes, for example, if I say that modulus x is less than 4, yes, so if modulus x is less than 4, then x will have two possible cases. One, either x will be less than 4, or this is when x is positive. Yes, when x is positive. If x is negative, then it will give us x is greater than -4. Yes, so notice this, that the sign changes and you multiply on one of the sides, either LHS or RHS, with a negative sign. Yes, hello Shreyashi, hi Ishita, good afternoon. So we'll have a look at this on the chart, right? If I say modulus x is less than 4, there are two possibilities. One, either x will be less than 4, that is x can take up any of these values. Yes, 4 not included, okay, or x will be greater than -4. X can't take up -4, but it can take up any of these values. Yes, so the intersection of both of these would be the possible values of x. That means x can take up any value from -4 to +4. Are you understanding this? So the result of this will be what? X can take up any values greater than -4, less than 4. Yes, so we'll start with an example question. Look at this. Which of the following is the value of this inequality? 5x is greater than equal to 30, but 5x is in modulus. Modulus 5x is greater or equal to 30. Now in this case, what will happen? There will be two possible cases. Yes, there will be two cases. Case 1 where 5x is positive. So if 5x is positive, then 5x will be greater than equal to 30, or you will get x is greater than equal to 6. The second possibility here would be 5x is a negative value, so 5x will be less than or equal to minus 30. Do you see how the sign has flipped? From greater than equal to it became less than equal to, and 30 became minus 30. Yes, so what would be the outcome of this? X would be less than equal to 6. Yes, so what would be the cases? X is less than equal to minus 6, that means it will take up values from minus infinity to minus 6. Minus 6 will be included. Same way, x is greater than 6, that means it will go from 6 to infinity. Infinity not included, 6 will be. The union of this will be what? Minus infinity to minus 6. Union 6 to infinity. Yes. Alternatively, what you can do is you can start plugging in values and check. Okay, you can plug in values and check. Clear? Very good, Shreyashi. Ishita, correct answer. Good afternoon, Lekhna. So we'll take this a notch higher. We'll take it to the next level. 8x plus 5 modulus is less than 9. So what would be the value of x? Quickly try this out. 8x plus 5 should be less than 9. Yeah. Try this one out, guys. Also guys, if you're facing issues with the quality of the video, if you think the video is not clear, just click on the menu on the top right, click on quality, go to advanced and change it to 1080p. Okay, if your internet is good enough, you will get it in 1080p quality. Alright, Shreyashi says C is the answer. Okay, how about others? So every time you see modulus, you have to be super alert, right? You should be on your spidey senses, because this will definitely cause some or the other problem. Yeah, so you have to be very careful, take every step carefully. Let's do this. Case 1, 8x plus 5 is less than 9, or 8x will be less than 9 minus 5. That is 8x would be less than 4. Dividing each sides by 8, what will I get? X is less than 0.5. Yes, so we are getting what? X is less than 0.5. The second case will be what? 8x plus 5 is greater than minus 9. Yes, sign will flip and RHS gets multiplied by negative sign. So here what will happen? If I subtract 5 on both sides, I'll get 8x is greater than minus 9 minus 5, which is minus 14, or x will be greater than minus 14 by 8, which is how much? 8 is x is greater than minus 1 point. So when you do 1, 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4, 1.75. Yeah. So you have to be very careful here, guys. X will be less than 0.5, or in other words, it will go from 0.5 will be the maximum value, negative infinity will be the minimum value. Yeah, same way here, minus 1.75 will be the maximum value. This will go on all the way till positive infinity. Are you able to get this, guys? Yes, so what is common between them? If you want to find out common between them, you can put them on a number line. Yes, minus infinity to 0.5. So 0.5 is here all the way from minus infinity. So all of this get covered in this. And minus 1.75 comma infinity will be what? Minus 1.75 will be here, from here all the way till here. Yes, so what is common between them? Common is this zone. Yes, so x can take up any value that is greater than minus 1.75 but has to be less than 0.5. Are you getting this, guys? So people who said option C, please check. The answer is A. Yeah, जिन्होंने भी C बोला था पहले, please check, the sign matters. Yeah, alternatively what you can do is you can plug in a value and check. एक वैल्यू, कोई भी एक वैल्यू प्लग इन करके देखो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से x इज इक्वल टू 0, then what will happen? Modulus 5, which is 5, is less than 9, which is true. मतलब x equal to 0 should satisfy it. इसमें x equal to 0 नहीं है, तो option C will be the first answer choice that you will eliminate. Am I making this clear, guys? Next, what you can do is put up a value greater than 0.5. For example, x equal to 1. If I put in x equal to 1, what will happen? 8 into 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Modulus 13 is 13. 13 is less than 9. This is not true. 13 less than 9 is not true. That means x equal to 1 must not satisfy. This has x equal to 1, eliminate. This has x equal to 1, eliminate. The only answer choice that stays is option A. Cool? Correct. Yes. The other way to eliminate option C would be, look at this. This is less than 9, not less than equal to. If this were less than equal to, then we would have square brackets. Yes. You will come across square brackets only if you have less than equal to or greater than equal to. Otherwise, you will always come across parenthesis only. Done? Chalo, let's move on. Okay, before we move on, guys, today I am one of the classes of this super fast course. Today we are starting with number system at 5 p.m. If you are someone who's planning on cracking CAT 2021 and you want to cover entire syllabus in the proper pace, then you can join this crash course kind of a thing. This is on Plus. If you are a subscriber, then you can directly enroll. If you are not a subscriber, use my code Surana Live to get a 10% discount on the subscription. Okay. Chalo, let's move on to the next question now in absolute inequality. We have to find out the value of x. Yes, 3x by 8 minus 4 is greater than 7 by 4. Quickly try this. Hello Narshima, I'm doing great, buddy. Thank you so much. Quickly try this. Saket says option C. Okay, Saket. How about others? Always remember, if your traditional method does not work, keep in mind there are other ways in which you can work through this question, okay? Other ways would be what? Reverse engineering. Yeah, if something doesn't work directly, then go for reverse engineering. Clear? Anyone else answer to this one? Okay, first we'll do it in the traditional method. Yes, traditional method, case 1, we will have 3x by 8 minus 4 is greater than 7 by 4. Take the 4 to the other side, you will have 3x plus 8 is greater than 7 by 4 plus 4. Yes, and then then multiply the entire equation by 8 by 3. So you will have x is greater than, this will give you what? 16 plus 7, 23 by 4 multiplied by 8 by 3. Yes, so x must always be greater than what? 46 by 3. Yes, this is one of the cases. You can eliminate answer choices in any case if you have any values that do not satisfy this. Then you will go for the second case where you have 3x by 8 minus 4. Flip the sign, go negative on the RHS, minus 7 by 4. So you will have 3x by 8 is less than minus 7 by 4 plus 4. which is 16 minus 7, 9. So you have 3x by 8 is less than 9 by 4. Yes. Further, what do you do? Multiply with 8 by 3. So x will be less than 9 by 4 into 8 by 3. So this is twice, this is thrice, x has to be less than 6. Am I making this clear, everyone? Yes. How much is 46 by 3, guys? 46 by 3 will be a little more than 14, correct? 42 by 3 is, sorry, 45. 15 से थोड़ा ज़्यादा. Understood? So 15 से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए वैल्यू या फिर 6 से कम होना चाहिए. Which of these will satisfy this? If you want, you can put this on the number line also. This is your number line. Let me put this, write this here. X must be greater than 46 by 3. Yes. So if you put this on the number line, x greater than 46 by 3 will be from here all the way to the right hand side. X less than 6 will be from here all the way to the left hand side. There's nothing in common, so we will take the union of them. Since there's nothing common here, we take union of them. That means x less than 6 will be minus infinity to 6 union x greater than 46 by 3 means 46 by 3 comma infinity, which is option C. Yes. Alternatively, what you can do is you can, alternatively what can be done is you can go for reverse engineering. Yes. If I go for reverse engineering, look at this. x equal to 0 is satisfied only in two answer choices. तो x को 0 में plug in करूंगा, what will I get? Modulus of minus 4, which is 4 is greater than 7 by 4. Is it true? Yes. तो x equal to 0 यहाँ पे satisfy नहीं कर रहा है, x equal to 0 यहाँ पे satisfy नहीं कर रहा है. What will be my next attempt? Go for any value greater than 46 by 3. Yes. 46 by 3 is 15.33, तो मैं 16 ले लूंगा. If x is equal to 16, then what will we get? This is 6 minus 4, 2. 2 is greater than 7 by 4. Is it true? Yes, it is. That means this will not satisfy. X equal to 16 इसमें नहीं है. Only thing that will satisfy is option C. Always have two methods in your hand. Okay, एक नहीं काम किया तो दूसरा definitely काम करेगा. या चलो अब ये वाला try करके दिखाओ guys. Quickly try this. Which of the following is the value of this? We want to find out the solution of A. Okay, Punya Shlok says A. How about others? Ishita says B. Tanush says A, Saket says B. Okay. Now there is a small difference between previous one. आप ये बताओ कि ये वाला expression और ये वाला expression क्या ये दोनों same है? Are these two equal or different, guys? जल्दी से बोलो. Are these two values the same? Definitely not, right? ये दोनों same नहीं है. Yes, please keep this in mind. यहाँ पे पूरा a minus 33 मॉडुलस में है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ a मॉडुलस में है. So you will have to rewrite. These are not equal. Okay, we have to rewrite the given expression. Minus 33 बाहर है तो add 33 on both sides. ये क्या हो जाएगा? मॉडुलस a less than equal to minus 70 plus 33 is how much? Minus 37. Clear? Modulus A is less than equal to minus 37. अभी कुछ भी करने के पहले थोड़ा सा कॉमन सेंस लगाएंगे इधर. क्या अपन इधर थोड़ा सा कॉमन सेंस लगाएंगे? A की possibilities ढूंढ रहे अपन, right? We are searching for A's possibilities. So what will happen? Modulus A should be less than equal to minus 37. Only possibility is A being minus 37. Yes, ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, A being less than equal to minus 37 और A being greater than equal to minus of minus 37 greater than 37. यहां पे a का वैल्यू आ रहा है लेस देन माइनस 37 जो कि कहीं पे सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है, यहां पे a का वैल्यू आ रहा है ग्रेटर देन 37. यस, तो अगर मैं यहां पे इफ आई पुट द नंबर लाइन, लेट्स से दिस इज 37, ठीक है, माइनस 37 माइनस 38, ये यहां पे प्लस 37, ये प्लस 38, तो क्या हो जाएगा यहां पे, वी आर लुकिंग फॉर वैल्यूज दैट आर लेस देन minus 37 included, or we are looking for values that are greater than 37 which will go this side. Yes, दोनों का intersection नहीं है, there is no intersection. समझ रहे हो, there is no intersection, so it basically means what, the values will go from minus 37 minus infinity to minus 37, minus 37 पे square brackets, same way you will have plus 37 to infinity. Are you getting this, guys? So this doesn't belong anywhere, none of these is the answer. You can also do this using logic, basic common sense से आप कर सकते हो, basic common sense से आप कर सकते हो. देखो, modulus of a must be less than a negative number. Is it possible to have a solution, guys? Is it possible to have a solution? यहां पे कोई solution possible है क्या? Modulus of some number should be less than equal to minus 37. कोई भी वैल्यू आप डाल लो, मॉडुलस के अंदर कोई भी वैल्यू आप डाल लो, you will always end up getting positive value. Agreed? Yes or no? Let's say मैं minus 39 डाल रहा हूं, मॉडुलस ऑफ minus 39 हो जाएगा, this should be less than minus 37. Is 39 less than minus 37? No. Yes. मैं कोई बड़ा वैल्यू भी डाल लूं, let's say I put minus 36 is less than equal to minus 37. क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? 36 is less than equal to minus 37. Is it true? No. Negative value. So on one side if you have modulus, on the other side you have a negative value, that's basically not possible. Yes, so this one will technically will have no solution. Understood? Yes, so answer is none of these. ठीक है, चलो, before we move on, this Sunday combat, Sunday 29th 12 PM, get a chance to win all of these exciting prizes. Don't forget to use the code Surana Live when you register for combat. Yes, download the app, register for combat. चलो try करो. Sir, will you teach us the product and the sum of the roots? Idhit, product of the roots, sum of the roots we have already done in polynomials. Yes, in the same playlist, if you go to polynomials, I think we did it in second lecture. Polynomials lecture 2, if you check out, you will get all the information on product and sum of the roots. Okay? All right, guys, try this. Now here the entire expression is in modulus. Okay? Entire expression is in modulus. Try this. हाँ जी guys, any answers here? Modulus 3 minus 2a should be less than 5, less than equal to 5. Nikunjan Saket are saying B. Anyone else? Punya Shlok says A. All right, here what you have to keep in mind is that the variable is associated with a negative sign. Okay, please be careful with that. Variable associated with a negative sign. लिखना से C, ठीक है. चलो, so let's do it. First type will be what? 3 minus 2a must be less than equal to 5. Subtract 3 on both sides, you will get minus 2a less than equal to 2. Now you have to divide by minus 2. If you have to divide by a negative number, what will happen? Opposite में sign change हो जाएगा. ये the sign will flip. Yes. So minus 2a by minus 2 will be a is greater than equal to 2 by minus 2, which is minus 1. Understood everyone? So a का value has to be greater than equal to minus 1. Yes, greater than equal to minus 1. Alternatively, what should you have? 3 minus 2a sign flip negative sign minus 5. So again, subtracting 3 from both sides, you will get minus 2a is greater than equal to minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8. Yes. Now you have to divide both sides with minus 2. Divide by minus 2 on both sides, you will get a. Sign flip हो जाएगा. Less than equal to what? Minus 8 by minus 2 is 4. Are you able to understand this, guys? Yes, so a has to be greater than minus 1, a has to be less than equal to 4. Where is it available? Option B. If you have doubts here, all you have to do is plug in. Yes, if I plug in a equal to 0, if I plug in a equal to 0, what will happen? 3 minus 2 into 0, that's 3. Modulus 3 is 3. 3 is less than equal to 5. Is it true? Yes, it is. A में 0 नहीं आ रहा है. In C also you don't see 0. Yes, A is less than minus 1, तो 0 नहीं आएगा. A is greater than 4, 0 नहीं आएगा. इसी से आपको पता चल गया कि A और C एलिमिनेट हो गया. ठीक है. Idit, we are not dividing it by 2, we are dividing it with minus 2. If you multiply or divide an equation with a negative number, then the sign will flip. ठीक है. If you are dividing or multiplying a number with negative, then you will always flip the sign. Clear? You want me to explain this part again? Okay, I'll do this quickly. देखो, 3 minus 2a या तो positive रहेगा. In our case, 3 minus 2a will be less than equal to 5. Yes. Subtracting 3, we will get minus 2a is less than 2, less than equal to 2. Now I have to divide by minus 2. So minus 2a by minus 2. यहाँ पे 2 by minus 2, but sign क्या हो जाएगा? Inverse. Sign उल्टा हो जाएगा. Yes, तो minus 2 cancel. A is greater than minus 1. Same thing here. Same thing here. 3 minus 2a. पहले ही अपन साइन फ्लिप कर देंगे मॉडुलस निकालते वक्त minus 5 करने के लिए. ओके, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू minus 5. Subtracting 3, you will get minus 2a is greater than equal to minus 8. Now you have to divide by minus 2a. So minus 2a by minus 2, sign flip, minus 8 by minus 2. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? a is less than equal to 4. Clear everyone? So your solution for this should be from minus 1 to 4, any values you can plug in. एक बार चेक करके देखो कोई बड़ा वैल्यू डाल के. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल 5. अगर आप यहां पे 5 डालोगे, इफ a इज इक्वल टू 5, what will happen? 3 minus 10, which is minus 7, modulus 7 is less than equal to 5. Is it true? क्या ये true है या false है guys? Is this true or false? It's false, correct? 7 is not less than equal to 5. Yes. मतलब इससे बड़ा कोई भी वैल्यू एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा, -1 से छोटा कोई भी वैल्यू एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा. डन. चलेंगे नेक्स्ट. क्विकली ट्राई दिस वन. Here also your variable is associated with a negative number. Double careful. Modulus है, वेरिएबल नेगेटिव के साथ एसोसिएटेड है. If you have modulus and you have variable associated with negative, be extra careful. Chalo, quickly try this. Let's see how many can. नरसिम्हा आज शाम को 5 बजे स्टार्टिंग से होगा, एकदम स्क्रैच से, एकदम स्क्रैच से करेंगे. टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स, डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज, रूल्स, प्राइम नंबर्स, को प्राइम नंबर्स, कॉम्पोजिट नंबर्स, एवरीथिंग विल डिस्कस. ओके, चेष्टा से सी. Anyone else? Nikunj also says C. All right. Saket says B. ठीक है. How about others? पुण्य श्लोक सेज ए, श्रेयसी सेज बी. चलो ठीक है, पहले इसको ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से करेंगे. फर्स्ट टाइप 7/2 minus 5b is greater than equal to 55. Subtracting 7/2 क्या है? 3.5. तो subtracting 3.5 on both sides हमें क्या मिलेगा? minus 5b is greater than equal to 55 minus 3.5 which is 51.5. डिवाइडिंग विथ -5, नेगेटिव से डिवाइड कर रहे हो, ध्यान में रखना. क्या हो जाएगा? b साइन फ्लिप -51.5 by 5 है ना. क्यों माइनस? क्योंकि -5 से आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो. दिस इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 10.3. So b is less than equal to -10.3. This will be one of our solutions. Yes, same way for the other type. Second case में क्या हो जाएगा? 7/2 minus 5b sin flip negative -55. So you will get subtracting 7/2 on both sides. What will you get? -5b is less than equal to -55 minus 3.5 is -58.5. Agreed? Dividing by -5 now. Again please be careful about this. ये क्या हो जाएगा? b साइन वापस फ्लिप हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस कैंसल, you will get 11.7. ठीक है. So now you have two solutions. One, b should be less than -10.3. b is less than or equal to -10.3, or b must be greater than or equal to 11.7. This is your answer. Yes. Idit, what are you saying, Idit? यहाँ पे 7/2 माइनस समथिंग है, इट इज एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन. क्या क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आप यहाँ पे? आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से हियर, इदित. गॉट इट गाइस? Any doubts for this? Now if you want to check for this, what will you try? देखो ऑप्शन ए में b इक्वल टू 0 सेटिस्फाइज है, तो ट्राई करेंगे b को 0 डाल के. इफ b इज 0, 7/2 मॉडुलस इज 7/2. इज 7/2 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 55? नो. दैट मीन्स b इक्वल टू 0 कैनॉट सेटिस्फाई. b इक्वल टू 0 a में भी है, b में भी है. डू यू अग्री? b इक्वल टू 0 a में भी है, b में भी है. गया, c इज योर ओनली आंसर. डन. Chalo. Okay, before we move on guys, today at 8 p.m. we are doing practice on percentages. We'll be taking up some interesting questions, some advanced level questions. The link is in the description below. Please join this without fail. Okay, this is mandatory for people who are preparing for CAT 2021. Yeah, please join this. Okay, now we are moving to quadratic equations. Chesta, yeah, you can, provided you've eliminated all the other answer choices. Chesta, you can select an answer choice even if one value satisfies, provided all the other answer choices are eliminated. एक value दो जगह पे भी हो सकता है. For example, x equal to 0 can be a part of -5 less than x less than 5. X equal to 0 can also be a part of -10 less than x less than 10. Yes. तो दोनों पे होना जरूरी नहीं है. तो आपको इफ यू हैव ओनली वन ऑफ देम लेफ्ट, लेट्स से यू एलिमिनेटेड ऑप्शन ए बी पहले से ही, तो यू कैन से ए इज ट्रू. ठीक है, अगर ये तीन एलिमिनेट हो जाते हैं तब आप ए बोल सकते हो, अदरवाइज यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. ठीक है. किंजल किसने बोला अनअकैडमी पे IPMAT के लिए नहीं है? IPMAT के लिए अलग से पूरा कैटेगरी खोल के रखा है. किंजल प्लीज गो थ्रू द ऐप केयरफुली. IPMAT, होटल मैनेजमेंट, BBA के लिए अलग से कैटेगरी ही खोल रखा है, अलग से गोल ही है. चेक करो ऐप पे जाके. No, you can't Chesta. No. If it satisfies, then you have to keep it. If it does not satisfy, then you can eliminate it. If it satisfies, it does not mean this is the only answer. Please understand that. ठीक है? Yeah, okay. Chalo, let's move on. Here's our next question. Which of the following is true? What is this kind of an inequality, guys? What is this inequality? This is called a quadratic inequality. Why? Because here the degree is 2. If the degree is 2, then you will have to consider a lot of possibilities. Okay, so I'll teach you how to answer this question in the traditional method first. Reverse engineering to hai hai. Yes, so first let's go do this using the traditional method. Okay, always remember, you have to keep in mind that your RHS must always be 0. Yes, so what will we do to make RHS 0? Subtract 10 on both sides. So we will have x square plus 3x minus 10 is greater than 0. Yes. Step 2, see if you can factorize this. Yes, factorize this. How can we factorize this, guys? The product of two numbers must be -10 and the sum must be -3. करेक्ट, +3 है तो माइनस हो जाता है. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के लिए देखो. यस, तो इफ दिस इज -3 देन व्हाट विल बी आवर केसेस? -5 and 2. करेक्ट. तो अब इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? यहां पे x minus of -5, that is x plus 5 into x minus 2 is greater than 0. बराबर. Have you all understood this, guys? Yes or no? ये आपको समझ में आया? x plus 5 into x minus 2 is 0. चेक कर लो एक बार फटाफट से, क्या हो जाएगा? 5x minus 2x 3x, 5 into -2 -10. Clear? Yes. So now what will be our next step? अपना next step ये होगा कि we go for the number line. Yes, इस मेथड को हम wavy curve मेथड बोलते हैं. Wavy curve method, you will use this if reverse engineering doesn't work. ठीक है, wavy curve method आप तब यूज करोगे जब reverse engineering doesn't work. So here what will be the possible values of x, guys? x के limits क्या होंगे? पहले first x plus 5 leads to 0, तो x क्या हो जाएगा? leads to -5. तो one limit will be -5. Yes, same way for the second limit, x minus 2 leads to 0 or x leads to 2. So the second limit is what? 2. Now you have to try different values to figure out कि अपना जो expression है उसका value positive कब कब रहेगा. Yeah, so I'll teach you how to do that. Just to be very sure, you will plug in our equation, plug in x equal to a number less than -5. -5 से छोटा number, let's say -6. All you have to check is if you will get a positive value or negative value. That's it. अगर मैं यहाँ पे x को -6 डाल दूँ तो क्या आएगा? -6 + 5 is negative. -6 - 2 is also negative. Correct? हाँ या ना guys? -6 + 5 -1 negative. -6 - 2 negative. If both are negative, this is saying we have to have positive. Negative into negative is positive. Negative into negative is positive. That means यहाँ पे अपना ग्राफ ऊपर की तरफ खुलेगा like this. Okay. Next, try out a value between -5 and 2. Let's say x equal to 0. Okay. If x is equal to 0 क्या हो जाएगा? 0 + 5 positive, 0 - 2 negative. Yes, this should be positive. क्या ये positive है? नहीं है. Positive into negative is negative. So this will be out. That means अपना ग्राफ जो है यहाँ पे dip हो जाएगा. Yes. Again further, try out a value greater than 2. If I say x is equal to 3. 3 + 5 positive. 3 - 2 positive. Positive into positive is positive, satisfies. Are you getting this? तो मतलब यहां पे क्या हो जाएगा? अपना ग्राफ वापस ऊपर आएगा. So what are the areas where it was positive? Here. These are the areas where our equation was positive. Clear? -2 से लेके infinity, +2 से लेके infinity तक positive. -∞ से लेके -5 तक पॉजिटिव. सो व्हाट विल बी आवर लिमिट्स गाइस? रेंज क्या हो जाएगा x का? x बिलोंग्स टू व्हाट? -∞, -5, क्योंकि सिर्फ ग्रेटर देन है, इक्वल टू नहीं है, इसलिए स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट्स नहीं आएंगे. वी विल हैव ओनली कर्व्ड ब्रैकेट्स. यूनियन 2 से लेके इंफिनिटी तक. दिस विल बी आवर सोल्यूशन. अंडरस्टूड? Yes guys, so x has to be less than -5, x has to be greater than 2. X has to be less than -5, x has to be greater than 2. So our answer is option C. Say yes if you've understood this method, everyone. Deepayan, CAT 2020 many videos became private. Okay, maybe you can watch 2021 also, no? All these lectures I've taken for CAT 21 also. You can watch them too. Alternatively, what you can do is go for reverse engineering. Yes, here look at this. Equal to, eliminate. There is no greater than equal to sign, so eliminate D. Option B and option A are having x equal to 0. We saw x equal to 0 does not satisfy it. So A, B cancel. What is our only answer? Option C. ठीक है ना? x equal to 0 आप plug in करोगे, you can eliminate option A and B. To eliminate option D, greater than equal to दिया हुआ है, which is wrong. Done. Simple steps, no need to solve all of this. Reverse engineering is always a faster way of doing it. Okay, read the question now. Which of the following is true if y into y minus 1 is less than 6? Y into y minus 1 is less than 6. Try this guys. Also guys, if you haven't hit like on this video yet, please go ahead and do that. Okay, hit like on this video. y into y minus 1 should be less than 6. With reverse engineering, you can give the answer in less than 10 seconds, but you have to be careful when you have none of these. Reverse engineering is way too risky. Okay, so please be careful before using reverse engineering in these areas. Okay, option C is right. We'll do it first using traditional method. So y into y is y square, y into minus 1 is minus y. I will bring the 6 to the other side. Minus 6 is less than 0. Yes, minus 6 should be the product, sum should be minus 1. So what would it be? Minus 3 comma 2. So you have y minus 3 into y plus 2 less than 0. Make sense? Abhi, what do you go for? Wavy curve method. So start plugging in for y. Yes, y ka limit kya hoga? 3. Y ka other limit will be minus 2. So mark those limits. Minus 2, 3. What is the next step? Start plugging in different values. Less than minus 2. Let's say y is equal to minus 3. If y is minus 3, minus 3 minus 3 is negative. Minus 3 plus 2 is negative. We should get this value to be less than 0, matlab negative. But negative into negative is positive. This is not true. So y equal to minus 3 does not satisfy. Yes, here we are getting a positive value. Between minus 2 and 3, plug in 0. If y equal to 0, this is negative, this is positive, it is less than less than 0, so it satisfies. That means here our value of the entire equation will be negative. Yes, then again to check, plug in a value greater than 3. 4 minus 3 positive, 4 plus 2 positive. Positive into positive is negative? No, so this will also not satisfy. So the region that actually satisfies is this. Okay, this region satisfies, which is what? Between minus 2 and 3, both not included. Option C. The fastest method is what? Reverse engineering. The only place where y equal to 0 satisfies, is A, not B. So you have C or you have none of these. If you have none of these, reverse engineering is risky. Yes, so you can't blindly depend upon reverse engineering when you have none of the above. Clear? Yes, everyone? Chalo, next question. Try this out. Which one of the following is true if z is less than equal to 4 by z minus 3? Z is less than equal to 4 by z minus 3. Let's see how many can answer this. Quick, guys. So here, if you look at this equation in this form, it seems like n is equal to 1. Correct? It seems like the degree is 1. But that's not true. Yes, you have to ensure that there's nothing in the denominator. Yes, तो इसको अगर ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में करना है, if you want to do this in the traditional method, look at this. 4 by z minus 3, or okay, let's do it like this itself. Z is less than equal to 4 by z minus 3. Yes, subtracting 4 by z minus 3. आप z minus 3 को दूसरे साइड लेके मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. You can't multiply z into z minus 3 less than equal to 4. That will not be right. Why? Because you don't know if z minus 3 is positive or negative. Yes. So subtract 4 by z minus 3 on both sides. You will have z minus 4 by z minus 3 less than equal to 0. Now you can take LCM within. Yes, if I take LCM within, what will I have? Z into z minus 3 minus 4 by z minus 3 is less than equal to 0. न्यूमरेटर से पहले डील कर लो. z स्क्वायर माइनस 3z माइनस 4 डिवाइडेड बाई z माइनस 3 इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. न्यूमरेटर क्या हो जाएगा गाइस? What will the numerator become? z minus 4 into z plus 1. Correct? z minus 4 into z plus 1 हो जाएगा न्यूमरेटर से. Yes, if you agree with this. Yes, minus 4z plus z is minus 3z. Minus 4 into 1 minus 4 divided by z minus 3 is less than equal to 0. Now because again we don't know anything about z minus 3 कि z minus 3 positive है या negative है, what will you have to do? Multiply the numerator and denominator by z minus 3. All this hard work because we don't want to go reverse engineering. ठीक है, ध्यान से सुनो, पूरा समझा देता हूं मैं. So what will you have? You will have z plus 1 into z minus 3 into z minus 4 divided by z minus 3 the whole square is less than equal to 0. Now it is clear कि आपका z minus 3 whole square is always positive. Yes, so now you can take it to the other side. 0 into z minus 3 the whole square will be 0. So on the LHS what will you have? Z plus 1 into z minus 3 into z minus 4 is less than equal to 0. Now if you want to directly plug in and do it या फिर wavy curve method. Yes. So what are the limits here guys? Limits क्या क्या होगा? Minus 1, then you will have plus 3 and plus 4. Now you will have to try one value less than minus 1, one value between these two, one value between these two, one value between these two. करेक्ट निकुंज? ये बताने के लिए मैं पूरा सॉल्व कर रहा हूं कि कितना टाइम जाता है इसमें. यस, तो अभी फटाफट से प्लग इन करना स्टार्ट करो. y इक्वल टू क्या है z इक्वल टू -2 प्लग इन किया, क्या हो जाएगा? -2 + 1 नेगेटिव, -2 - 3 नेगेटिव, -2 - 4 नेगेटिव. इज इट ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0? नो. तो ये वैल्यू आपका सेटिस्फाई नहीं करेगा. बिटवीन -1 and 3 z इज इक्वल टू 0. क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव. इज इट लेस देन इक्वल टू 0? यस इट इज. यस. सो इज इट, हमें नेगेटिव चाहिए था क्या? सॉरी हाँ सॉरी, 1 second. We wanted negative only. Yes, so this satisfies. Yes, हमें नेगेटिव ही चाहिए, लेस देन इक्वल टू 0. Yes, we want negative only. Okay, so this will satisfy. This will not satisfy because you will have positive value, not satisfied. Further, between 3 and 4, let's say 3.5. Correct Chesta. Wait, let me go ahead with this. Yes, z equal to 3.5. So what will happen? 3.5 plus 1 positive, 3.5 minus 3 positive, 3.5 minus 4 negative. Is it less than equal to 0? Yes it is. Satisfies. That means here it will go negative. Further, after 4 z equal to 5, what will happen? Positive, 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 not less than equal to 0. तो यहाँ पे वापस ऊपर जा रहा है। दिस इज योर ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन गाइस। हमें क्या चाहिए, नेगेटिव चाहिए, मतलब ये होगा और ये होगा। These two should be our answers. Yes, तो ये क्या है, माइनस इंफिनिटी टू -1 लेस देन इक्वल टू है, तो बोथ दिस साइड नॉट इंक्लूडेड, यूनियन 3 to 4. Are you understanding this? Yes, so what is our answer? Our answer is actually 3 to 4 पॉजिटिव में। अच्छा, यहाँ पे ये वाला ब्रैकेट आना चाहिए था। ओके, द क्वेश्चन इज एक्चुअली इनकरेक्ट, यहाँ पे ये वाला ब्रैकेट आएगा। ओके, हियर वी शुड हैव क्लोज्ड ब्रैकेट्स। x कैन बी इक्वल टू 3, x को अगर आप 3 डालोगे तो 0 हो जाएगा, लेस देन इक्वल टू 3 satisfies. ओके, a is our answer. You can do this using reverse engineering. Chesta, what will become infinity? See, this value of x should be less than -1. X should be less than equal to -1. सॉरी गाइस, 3 cannot, या सबसे पहले वो निकाल देना चाहिए था हमें। फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, वी शुड हैव रिमूव 3 न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर में, सॉरी 3 यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में है, सो z कैन नेवर बी इक्वल टू 3. ओके, पहले ही निकाल दो, दिस शुड हैव बीन आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप, आई एम सॉरी। सबसे पहले z इक्वल टू 3 को निकाल दो डिनोमिनेटर से, फर्स्ट इटसेल्फ रिमूव z इक्वल टू 3. ओके, सो 3 विल नॉट बी इंक्लूडेड, दिस इज आवर आंसर. रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग से ये और भी इजी, बहुत इजी इनफैक्ट. यस, लुक एट दिस, यहां पे यू हैव z इक्वल टू 0 जो नहीं सेटिस्फाई करेगा. यस, इन दिस 1 to infinity you have z equal to 3, नहीं सेटिस्फाई करेगा, z equal to 3 हो ही नहीं सकता. सो द ओनली आंसर लेफ्ट इज ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज इट. ठीक है ना, क्लियर गाइस एवरीवन? तो रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग विल टेक अबाउट 15 to 20 seconds. Traditional method will take about 15 to 20 days. Okay. चलो, दिस इज योर होमवर्क. यहां पे मैंने इंटेंशनली आई हैवंट गिवन आंसर चॉइसेस बिकॉज आई वांट यू टू डू इट यूजिंग ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. तो ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में करो and drop in the answer in the telegram group. Okay, try this question only using traditional method. Yes, this is your homework for today. Yeah, all right guys, so with this अपना quadratic equation का सीन खत्म, quadratic inequality का सीन खत्म. 12 months 3 months, 24 months 3 months offer. Use the code Surana Live, get additional 10% discount. These are the prices for 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. If you still take 12 months, you will get 3 months free. If you take 24 months, you will get 3 months free. Yes, don't forget to use the code Surana Live in all of these cases. This we had done yesterday. Yesterday we had done this using reverse engineering, अपन ने कर लिया था. So you can try this using traditional method. Okay, try this question using traditional method. Just get acquainted with it because sometimes answer choices could be very complex. कभी कभी आंसर चॉइस काफी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो सकता है. सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू ऑल्सो ट्राई यूजिंग ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. ओके, रिवर्स इंजीनियरिंग हो गया, ट्रेडिशनल मेथड से सॉल्व करना इसको. Yes, part of your homework. Okay, all right guys, with this our session is done. If you haven't already downloaded the Unacademy learning app, go ahead and do that. Use my code Surana Live to register and you will get all free content for your use. Okay, yes, and these are some of the ongoing batches. ये सारे आज ही start हुए हैं. This is for CAT 21, CAT 22, Maharashtra CET. Don't forget to enroll into them. सर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन में तो मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट ही नहीं हो रहा. कौन सा होमवर्क क्वेश्चन? ये वाला चेष्टा ट्राई करो, होगा, डेफिनेटली होगा, ट्राई करो. ओके, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन द iconic subscription. If you take the iconic subscription, you will get one-on-one live mentorship. That is, you can have a personalized learning experience. All your doubts, concepts, exam strategy, everything will be cleared by top alumni of B schools like IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Calcutta, IIM Bangalore. Yeah, these are all the people who've already cracked CAT 2020 with the help of our subscription program plus ke card. Yes, you can also join Unacademy as a campus ambassador. Here's the list of benefits that you will get if you join in. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you all in the evening class today at 8 p.m. we have a special class on percentage. Yes, mandatory for everyone preparing for CAT 2020. Okay, please join this. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you in the next class. Until then, keep learning. Let's crack it.